Hey, what's up everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video, guys, where we're going to set up our main menu for our automated chat sequence, okay? So we're here on our funnel, right? We're going to set up our menu where it shows learn more, shop, visit, send message, and then we're going to add some buttons so that they can click on those things, okay? So what I need you guys to do is head over to ManyChat, and what we're going to do is we're going to head over to automation. And in automation, we're going to click on main menu. It's the first one, and you're going to click on main menu item, click edit menu, and now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this. So we're going to say main menu, okay? And for the free ManyChat version, they only give you a certain amount of menu items. So what you see here, it says 3 items. So we're going to add a sub menu. Okay, so when they click on the main menu, they're going to be given a sub menu, okay? So this is going to, actually, let's delete this real quick. This is going to open up a sub menu, okay? And the sub menu is going to have the information we need. So it's going to have learn more, shop, visit website, or send message, okay? So let's put those in. So let's type in learn more. And then we're going to type in shop. So you can say shop other products or shop more products or something like that. Right? Or you can say shop our top products. I like that better. Alright, and then the next one is visit website. And the next one is just chat. Alright, so on the right hand side, you can see this is how it's going to look like on a phone. And you can click on it so you can, see how it would look on, on your phone, right? And you see these little error signs here. We have to specify a message for it or it won't work. All right, so we're going to create a new message here, and we're going to say so if someone clicks on the learn more button, it's going to say thank you for wanting to learn more about our business, right? So we can say, we'll just say the deal box. The deal box was founded in 2016 as a online retailer specializing in novelty items and unique gifts, right? And then you can say we are located in whatever country or state you are. Obviously, you don't have to say this. This is just something I'm making on the top of my head, but we are located in it's kind of like a About Us page. We are located in New Jersey and cater to over 100 countries or something like this, right? If you want to know more, please visit our website or email us at info@thedealbox.co, right? All right. And you can add more buttons here, right? So if I wanted to add a button, so I can open up a website here, right? We don't want to do that. And then down below here, guys, you can also add more things like a delay, right? And delay is basically something where those 3 little dots that you see it looks like someone's typing, right? That's what a delay is. So that's a really cool feature, and we can use that. I'll show you guys how we would use that in a second. But you can add images here, like your logo. So if you want to move this up, oops, if you want to move this up on top of that and put in your logo, you can. So something like this. See if my logo is on my desktop. I'm not sure if it is. It might be on my. Let's see if it's on my desktop. It might be on my external. Yeah, it's not here. But you can put an image here, basically showing your logo, like this. All right. Obviously, that's huge, but you can make it, a nice size where it would fit appropriately, and then you can see how it would look. By just scrolling down here. So you can also just click on it to replace the image. But I want to delete that. So you can add additional text. So if I wanted to add a delay, for example, click on delay, and I want to move this up. You could change the delay. So if I wanted it to be 8 seconds or 4 seconds, it's going to, put those 3 little boxes as someone is typing, so it looks like a real human is typing, and then you can say something like, so if I didn't want this to be here, let's copy this and delete that, and I wanted it to be a delay, then I wanted it to say, if you want more information, blah, blah, blah. So it would send this message if they click on learn more, but then a delay would happen for 4 seconds, as if someone is typing, and then it would send this message, right? So that's really cool. So let's publish that. And now, or I can't publish, save it, I meant. And then let's go to shop our top products, okay? So what this is going to do is it's going to reply with the message, and we're going to create the new message here. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually put in a gallery instead of a message. We can put a message on top, so you can say, please view our top items here. You can put another delay, so as if someone's typing. So let's move this up before it shows the item, so we can wait like 2 seconds. And make sure you hit this box, show typing during delay, so those buttons do appear. And then we can add some images, right? So if I wanted to show the glasses here, we can add a title, so you can say our amazing hat glasses. Right? And then you can put a subtitle here. Yours now free or something, right? All right. Or we can say something like yours now free. Let's pay shipping. And then what we can do is we can scroll over, and then add another image. All right. So what if I wanted the torch? I could do the same thing. Shop our amazing torch pen. Right? Right? So you can add as many images, and the cool thing about it is you can just keep adding more, right? Just keep adding more. You can add a URL here. So if I wanted this to link to the torch pen, you can just, put whatever URL you want. So if this was my URL, right, it's going to link this headline to that URL. And the same thing here. Right, so you put your own URL here. Right? And now that's going to link that headline. You can keep adding images, right? Just keep adding images, your top products, and, to get people scrolling through to see if they want to buy something else from you, right? So that's saved automatically. Let's go back to the main menu. So you can add as many products as you would like. Let's click on visit website. So we're gonna send a new message, right? So actually no, we're gonna actually do open a website. So as soon as they click visit website, this is going to be the link, right? So you could put all right. And then chat with us, you can just say, we can reply with the message like something, I don't know. Right? Something like that. So if they click chat with us, we can say, hi there, a rep will be with you shortly. And what you can do for this is if you click on chat with us, you can add an action. And you can do this with any of these buttons here, right? So if I wanted to add an action and notify the admins, which is a pro feature, but you can notify a person who's in charge of the page, which would be me, right? You notify me so I know that someone is actually trying to chat with me or wants a human interaction. You can also add a tag. You can remove a tag. So if I wanted someone, if I wanted to add a tag here, I can say like, interested in other products, right? So I know that person clicked on that. I know that person is interested in other products. Oops. Sorry. Interested in products, right? Let's just say that. So we'll have to click new tag. And now if that person has that tag on them, I can send future broadcasts to people who have that tag, right? People who are interested, showed that they were interested because they clicked on shop our top products. I can send a broadcast saying, hey, I've noticed that, or we've noticed that you've been interested in some of our other products, and I just wanted to let you know that we have this sale going on, or we just launched this new cool, amazing idea or whatever. So this is a great way to even get more information on your customers, right? By adding tags. You can say like if someone clicked on the new Learn More tab, right? So I know that person clicked Learn More. All right. All right, so this is our main menu. Our main menu is done, and if we click publish, that's going to be published. So if someone's on their phone and they're on Messenger, this is what they're going to see, right? If they click on Learn More, they're going to see this. If they click on Shop Our Top Products, they're going to see this. If they click on Visit Website, a pop-up is going to come up, and it's going to show us our website. If they click Chat with us, you can add the tag to, or add the action that says notify an admin, and then we would get that response. Another thing you can do is delete this, and what's going to happen is it's going to be an option automatically that appears that says send a message or something, right? So you don't have to do that, but you want to kind of give them the option to chat with the human, right? So we can just say chat with human here, just so it's more clear. And then we can create a new message that says, hi there, a rep will be with you shortly. All right. So it's saving, it's saved. Let's go back to our main menu and publish that. All right. So now if we look at our funnel here for our automated sequence, you can see that we did the Learn More. It sends a Learn More message. We did the shop. It shows the shop carousel. It shows the products, and we can link those products back to our funnels. We did the visit website button, and the website pops up. We did the send message button, and it sends a message, right? So if we were to go to engage, and we wanted to set a new broadcast, and go to settings, we can turn the targeting. See where it says targeting here? We can turn the targeting based on tag. Okay, so if I wanted to send a mass broadcast, like I was saying before, to people who are interested in products, I would just change the conditioning to interested in products. Okay, so everyone who's tagged with this tag is going to get this message, and only those people, no one else. Okay, you can add multiple conditions, so people who are in a sequence subscription, right? So is, in grill, or test, isn't, right? So we want to make sure that we make those conditionings clear. Okay, so if I wanted to send the broadcast in a mass message like, hi, we have some new products you may be interested in, blah blah blah, right? So now you would see that if I send this out, only the people that I made, only users that match all of these conditions would be sent this broadcast. No one else. Because if you don't do this and you make a mistake, you can send a broadcast out to all of your customer base, and that's not what you want to do, because you have different niches. You have different people who are interested in different things, and it may not resonate well. Okay, so you can change the type of broadcast it's going to be. So there's a lot of things you can do, guys, but it's pretty straightforward once you know where everything is, right? That's pretty much with everything. Once you start practicing, once you start making tests, like make a test page, draw a test funnel, test it out, do what I'm doing, and literally break it down, reverse engineer it, and try to see what works and how it works, and then what doesn't work, and then apply that to your actual funnel so that you can start reaping the benefits of automated chat funnels. Okay, guys, it's really important that you start testing these things that I'm showing you, because if you don't test it, you will not learn. Okay, and you'll make a mistake, and then you're kind of lost. So you want to make sure that you're putting in some test sequences, testing it out, learning the kinks, the in and outs, so that you can actually benefit from automated bots. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow there'll be a new video, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.